Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine stuck on wash cycle. Are you having trouble that your Bosch washing machine is stuck on wash cycle? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. 1. Faulty heater. If the heater is not working correctly, it could cause the washing machine to stop mid-cycle. Monitor the cycle and see if it stops within the first 30 minutes. If it does, the water may not be heating up sufficiently. If it's shut off after 30 minutes, the heating could be the issue. A faulty thermistor is a common cause of overheating. 2. Drainage problems. If the washing machine doesn't drain properly, something blocking the pump could be causing the washer to stop in cycle. Identify the cause of the blockage and rectify it to get the washing machine working again. If you're unsure how to do this, you can contact Bosch customer service. 3. Leaks. Some of the washing machine will abort a cycle if they detect a leak as a safety precaution. If you suspect a leak, try to fix it and see if the problem is resolved. However, fixing a leak on a washer may not always be possible depending on its location and severity. 4. Faulty timer dial. In more modern digital washers, the dial can still fail. Try playing about with different cycles to see what happens. If the timer dialer is the issue, it's usually easy to get it fixed and replaced. 5. Software issue. If there is no apparent hardware issue, it could be a software problem. Try unplugging the appliance and plugging back in to see if it resolves the issue. If not, it may be best to call a repair engineer to diagnose and fix the problem. 6. Check the manual. If your washing machine displays an error code or flashing lights while closing the door, it's important that you check the manual for more information and a solution for the problem. 7. Check water supply. Ensure that your washing machine is able to receive a cold water supply and a cold water hose is not broken or kinked. Check that your washing machine is able to drain the water away and the wastewater hose is not blocked. 8. Overheating. If the washing machine stops mid-cycle, it may be mostly caused due to overheating. For that, wait till the machine cools down, or you can try replacing the thermostat. 9. Faulty component. If none of the above solutions work, it could be the fault with a specific component such as motor, control board, or water inlet valve. In this case, it's best to call a professional repair service to diagnose and fix the issue. Remember, even after trying all these fixes, if you're still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Bosch customer service and book an appointment to come check your washing machine.